In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your date of birth here on Fortnite in 2026 as well as in future years, since I'm sure it'll be the exact same. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you cannot directly change your date of birth in Fortnite, so keep that in mind. Go ahead and close out of this, and what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser of your choice or just use a secondary device and go to epicgames.com. I'm using Google Chrome, but you could really use whatever you'd like. Once you're on here, go ahead and sign into your correct Epic Games account up in the top right. You can do this on PC, Mac, phone, tablet, whatever it might be. Once you're signed in, select this and go into account, and this will take you to your account settings, and you're going to want to navigate to the parental controls section down here. So scroll down a little bit, you'll see parental controls. Go ahead and open this up, and if you do have a pin set, go ahead and enter in that pin. And inside parental controls, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see options for a bunch of different stuff on here. And you may have to scroll through this all just like so, but essentially you're going to see ratings like PEGI 3, 7, 12, 16, 18, unrated. These essentially are the settings that are going to control what type of content can be accessed based on age restrictions. So if your account is restricted due to age, adjusting these settings will change what content is available. So just these settings, I would honestly just put them as unrated, or just come to this section, select this to teen, and you should be good to go. Because you cannot actually directly edit your birth date field or remove age restrictions if your account is permanently set as underage. That is the method that you could try if you are trying to adjust age-related settings here in Fortnite, though. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.